Hi everyone. I am very sorry that I haven't been here today. I am gonna stop apologizing though, because I'm just gonna have to repeat myself here very soon. Yeah, so let's get back to stocks. Give me 1 second, let me just get the music going. I lost my music. Give me a second. Alright, whatever this is, let's start this. Alright, I'm very sorry that, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna have to repeat myself soon, I'm just gonna do this. So it looks like, not a whole lot has changed in terms of the market while I was gone, at least from this front. Nvidia, I mean, there is certainly a lot more green in the small caps since I've been gone, but Nvidia, you know, is about the same, Apple's about the same, Nvidia's as well. Looks like Tesla pushed up a little bit, so... We do got this nice boom candle here out of GME, which is nice to come back to. 27,000 volume there as well. Nice volume increase. So hopefully we can push over power hour here. There's 49 minutes left in the day today, so I'll get my act together at least for the last little bit. Let me just go check out a couple things here. Figure out what happened while I was missing. 245 is our last update. 0.32 on the cost to borrow. 3 million short shares available. AMC, on the other hand, 1.56 cost to borrow with 900,000 short shares available. I'm guessing that means that hasn't been updated since noon. Guessing though that means that AMC probably went down earlier. Down to 501, currently 505. Chewy starting to push up here during power hour. Did get a nice recovery, went all the way down to 25.28 today, but now it's back up to 25.81, doing good. Daily was starting to curl down, didn't manage to make it back to red territory, so hopefully we can keep this happening for GM as well. Yikes. Okay, I saw this when I was on that other screen. I was like, oh god, that doesn't look good. 2102. I thought that we would have a little bit more of a recovery today. Still power hour, we still got some time. Lazy about this. Yuck. 129.20. Nvidia didn't push up too much more after I was gone. SoFi stock, though. Nice to see that. I called out SoFi earlier to our friend Andrew, and I was really nervous that I was giving him bad advice because SoFi has been really suppressed, but this actually worked out pretty well today. 789. Currently at 784. Intraday high was 789. Ooh, Starbucks as well. Starbucks really came back to life now. Currently $98. Up from 95 at the start of today. Ugh, I'm afraid to turn this on. I don't even know what I look like. But there we go. Kind of passed out for a while. Check out SPY, currently 561.45. Pushed up to 562.06, pretty much right where I left it. And I had said that I didn't think I was going to push up too much more because that's right where we were the other day. I'm surprised that we haven't dropped though. I'm surprised we're still holding this higher level here at 561.48. All right. Victoria's Secret. Another one that we called out this morning thanks to our dear friend Geeko. And this is doing okay. Not too bad. I'm just a little off right now. This is probably the worst thing that I said this morning. It did actually technically push up though, I suppose. Kava, not much of a recovery. Feels bad for all the Kava holders. I mean, I guess it did go up $5 today. Called this one out this morning as well. Big drop from yesterday. Really surprising. I just saw Mara for a second. There it is. Mara managed to push back up just a little bit. Came all the way down to 17.14. Pretty consistent stock, though. Hey, Lucid even made a nice recovery. That's good to see. I was worried about Lucid here. 384 all the way down to currently at 408. Just a ton of shorting. Cost pushed up to 1055, back down to 956 though. This is probably the worst of the Fantastic Four, aside from AMC, I guess. Novavax down to 1096. Not much of a recovery out of Novavax today. Sava pushed down to 2816. Not much out of it for most of the day, however, it is pushing up right now. So that's nice. If anybody grabbed Sava earlier. Tesla's been trading sideways right at that 210 mark. Pretty much right where we left that. AMD back down to 149. This thing was like 160 the other day. Yeah. Apple, probably my worst call from this morning, I suppose, because I was thinking this is going to come down a little bit here soon. Hasn't really come down at all. Siri managed to push up to 321, back down to 314, nothing too crazy there. GME back down to 2092 though. We were just above 21. They just won't let us do it. Hey, look at that sun power coming back to life, but sucks it's on OTC now. Chipotle, another one that we pointed out this morning that was doing really good. Went up to 56.30. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What an afternoon. Still waiting to see if Humacyte's ever actually gonna get any FDA approval or anything. What if there's any new news for that? Oh wow, I didn't realize that they're working in Ukraine. That's interesting. Don't actually know what they do that much. Oh, okay. Treatment of vascular trauma. Just waiting to see if GME is going to actually end up doing anything here. We did cross back down on a red territory, unfortunately, again on the 1 minute MACD, so 5 also red, 15 kind of curling down. Not looking too strong. I'd like to think that we're still going to push up though today. I don't know. Maybe I'm just too much of an optimist. Down from 2130 of our high today. Very smart. Let's just do that. Let's do that. KSS Kohl's has earnings coming up here soon. Got rejected right at that $20 mark today and never went back up to retest it. So I'm sure it's just a matter of time before we do. Probably gonna break through it this next time, I would think. Let's take a look around. SPY. Yo, TZ Yellow, thank you, man. Sorry that I left. Geeko Gadgets. Welcome back to you too, man. Yeah, I really apologize, guys. I really, just closed my eyes for a while. I had to do that. So sorry. I am gonna try to not let that happen much more. Just got off work. Oh, it was perfect. It was perfect. Oh, happy day. Welcome home. You can finally relax. Just in time to watch this big boom boom candle appear for GME out of nowhere. I'm just kidding, though. I don't want to make that promise. Not that I even think that the one's coming today, but I'm hopeful. I'm very hopeful. Corsair Gaming, my homie stock, not doing too bad today. Only down 2 cents. Yeah, nope, absolutely. You're right, man. Yeah. Absolutely. I will do better. Here, actually, you can see the embarrassment and sincerity in my face whenever I say those things. I will do better. I'm so sorry. So let's see here, though. Really just kind of a crappy day, though. In terms of AMC and GME, that is. Nothing too crazy. At least we did manage to push up, though. 2066 ended up being our bottom. I was starting to get a little worried that we were going to go down to 20. I was indeed starting to get worried. But we had that double bottom, pushed up right away after that. That's nice. Currently 2093. Would love to get intraday highs, maybe even go positive before the end here. We got 36 minutes left. Maybe it can happen. I think it's just a matter of time, though. I think that we'll probably start pushing up from this point on. I think that we hit our bottom. Oh god, DZ, no! No! Okay, yeah, heard loud and clear, please. I didn't realize it was that extreme. God, it's like a war crime. Ugh. Okay, yeah, alright. I'll be better. I'll be better. Please, not that. Anything but that. Please, sir. I'm sorry. I apologize. Pretty extreme. You went to, like, immediate capital punishment. do we got here? What is this guy? 2 million on the spy. AMC, what a big disappointment you are. Amy's gonna come to life though big one day, and we're gonna be so happy. Maybe the end of this week? Maybe. Chewy trying to push up again, 2577. They're all... Is this actually positive on the day? No, even Chewy's negative on the day. Let's check this. Silver and gold slightly elevated. I wonder how TLT is doing as well. 97.92. With PCC currently at 0.968. PCC came down a bit throughout the day, still so elevated. Like, I feel like this is part of the reason why SPY is just still remaining so high. We'll see, though. I kind of think that tomorrow's the last day we're going to have SPY as high as we are. I really do think that NVIDIA's earnings are going to bring down the market. I could just be wrong, though. Maybe they're just going to have, like, ridiculous, crazy earnings, but they're so elevated that I don't think that they could really match earnings-wise. Oh, dude, that's how I feel. Like, I every time I see Chewy, I'm like, oh, I should buy some of that. And then, yeah, I'm just like, no, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I guess I'm just gonna miss this one. So, I did manage to load up a little bit more GME and AMC though today, so feeling pretty good about what we got. I moved up some of my options. I had some long-dated options that I changed to really short-dated so I could get a bunch more. Changed like 3 options into 30 options for GME. So hoping it works out now because they're pretty short. Got them for the 6th instead of like January. Still feels like FFIE is gonna end up squeezing up again a little bit. I don't know though. FFIE is so scary sometimes. Yeah, I mean, I don't think 30 is gonna be hard. I would like to think at least. We shall see. I feel like I'm operating on the belief that Roaring Kitty is gonna do something though too. GME 2087 though, not doing good right now. Spy up. Yeah, it's been doing good today. Certainly has. Hit that 562 mark and could not break through it again. Majanone, welcome back. I apologize, by the way. I passed out. I just closed my eyes and then I was just out for that whole time that I was gone. But I do appreciate you guys and I'm sorry about that. I have some of my own stuff to deal with. Just in my... So I apologize that that affected anybody else. I'm very sorry. Really am. Yeah, I know. Yeah, talk about a quick way to get myself in line. TZ Yolo doesn't play around. Holy cow, if I ever operate a prison, I'm gonna hire him as warden. My gosh. Operating like it's Guantanamo around here. Heard loud and clear. Just bouncing the 200 on the 1 minute. Do you mean in chat? Or were you trying to post a link? Because it does usually yell at you. I don't know of an easy way to give you permission, but I have a non-easy way that I can give you permission if you want. Let me see if I can actually even find it. But yeah, if that's what you were trying to do, I can try to make it easier going forward. Sorry, what did you say though? Just bouncing the 200 in the 1 minute. Yeah, where are my things? Yeah, just playing right around that 200 right now. I think it's just a matter of time, though. We will push up soon. Maybe not today. I don't know. But, soon. Soon. By the end of this week, we'll be better. Much better. Currently 2079. Yikes. We're definitely dumping on it though. Let me go refresh chart exchange again. Yeah, so I noticed earlier they used 500,000 and then another 100,000, then I guess they returned 100,000 and another 100,000 they used. So it definitely has been happening. AMC not as much, but you definitely can see that the available shares has gone down. So hasn't been updated since 12:15 though. Come on, Jim. Come on, Jim. You can do it, buddy. Make us proud. It's not that far to end up positive for the day. Only gotta climb like 50 cents. Hey, Serjan, welcome back to you, man. Big apologies for earlier. I went to go close my eyes and just rest for a little bit, and I really do apologize about that. I'm gonna work on making that be better. TZ YOLO has let me know what the very, very, very strict punishment will be if I don't get my act together, and he's right. And I am very afraid, so we'll get it together. I'm super sorry. Siri not doing too good. Come on, give us something good. Starbucks is up 2.4%, but that's about it. Oh, it's nice to see SoFi doing well though today. I assume Geeko, you still have your SoFi, yeah? I think it was you. Looking really good. Pushed up to 789 today. What about Palantir? Palantir currently at 30.85, pushed up to 31.12. So Palantir not too bad today. Certainly could be worse. I was happy to see that Lucid made a nice-ish recovery. We're at least back up to 409. That pushed down to 384. I was like, oh god. But we pushed it back up. Not enough to really curl down that daily too much either, so hopefully that'll be okay. Did reject off basically a double top. GME currently $20.80. If you are a perma bull and you want to see GME to go to the moon, you better put some rockets in the chat. I know I'm gonna. I would like to see Jimmy make us a little bit proud in these last 24 minutes. Come on, Jimbo. Maybe even Amy will make us proud a little bit. Ugh. Amy's barcoding just is so depressing to see. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. That's all you gotta tell yourself, though. Just a matter of time. Ew. Yikes. Compared to yesterday's volume, today's volume's awful. I mean, given I think the last 2 days was a lot of shorting, that's why it is so much, but 12 million yesterday and only 3.7 million today for AMC. I don't think we're gonna get much more in this last little bit, so kind of a shame there for Amy. What about Jimbo? 3.43 million shares volume today, still down from yesterday. Not great. I really wanted us to just keep uptrending on this volume. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen, sadly. Would have to get over another million shares. But I do think that this is pretty much the last of our really, really bad days. I think we're gonna push up for after today. Recap day has passed. 30th could be a big day. Earnings is next week. I think that it'll start climbing from here. It's only 1 week away for earnings. Next Tuesday is earnings. Finally, we're within 1 week. 5 trading days. Moment we've been waiting for. Now Spy got the pop, did it? Not sure if you mean before or what exactly you meant. Starbucks still pushing up hard, 98.23 now. What a great day for Starbucks. Isn't they closed on Monday? What is the month? Oh, Labor Day. I guess so. Which honestly is awesome news. I love that. Not because I won't be here. I don't like that. I love that because GME does have a history of running on 4-day weeks. Very interesting. I did have Starbucks, yeah. I don't have it now though. No, I don't have it now. On the dang 1 minute. Dang it. I gotcha. $20.81 for Jimmy. Come on, Jim. Push on up. You got those rockets. Turn this around, Jimmy. Sava stock with a nice recovery today, up to 29.10. One of these days I'm going to end up buying some Sava. Maybe not though. I feel like by the time I end up buying this, I'll have missed the boat. Victoria's Secret though, new intraday high, 24.69. This one's doing really great. Oh yeah, by the way, let me see if I can actually fix that for you, Geeko, really quick. Oh, it ruined what I was doing on the side. Bummer. Oh, no, it didn't. I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright, I'm gonna try that. Hey, it worked. So, Geeko, I added you as an approved user. You're officially an approved user. It's a little bit of like a promotion around here. So you should, I think that you were trying to post a link earlier. You should be able to post links now, I would think. I'll go ahead and add TZ YOLO while I'm at it here. Just in case you ever want to add a link. You guys will, have that special privilege to you. There we go. Oh, Assidious in the house, who might end back at our August 2nd to 5th numbers for a full month's retracement. Yikes, you think we're going down? I was feeling like this 2066 might have been the bottom. I don't know though, I'm not saying you're wrong. I just didn't even consider that. Thank you so much, Majin, and I'm glad to be back too. I apologize again. I'll send you a better message later about it. I just didn't want to delay anymore. I woke up and I was like, okay, I gotta get my life back together. I threw some quick ice in my stomach and I just got here. Mr. Assidious, though, it's nice to see you. I just added you as an approved user to do. Figure you guys have been here enough. You guys can get approved. Enjoy your promotions. I'm assuming it only means links. I don't really know what else it would mean, but hopefully it works out. Pleasure's all mine, Assidious. Pleasure's all mine. 2045. Yeah, I'd be really surprised if we ended up coming down for the rest of today and broke through these levels. I wasn't thinking that we'd go down tomorrow, too, though. Which seems to maybe be where your guys' head is. Hopefully we're not going to drop another 35 cents today to go down to 2045 for you. I guess time will tell, though. We definitely are on this nasty decline. Gotta wonder if they're really shorting it because there is something big coming next week, which, I mean, they know GameStop earnings is next week. That's definitely big. It's definitely gonna affect the stock. Need SoFi at 795 first. Let's go take a look. Oh, I went straight to bed. I passed out for whatever amount of time I was gone for. Yeah, I was just unconscious almost immediately. Yeah, just the fatigue's really just been messing with me and my brain lately. I really do apologize. Been having a hard time getting enough sleep no matter what I do. So close to that 795 mark. Currently 780. Did get pushed down once we hit that 789, but maybe we can do something this last 15 minutes. Yeah, but literally the moment I woke up, I saw that I needed ice and I got here. Lucid Motors doing better, pushing up again, 412. That is nice to see. Hopefully this can even push up a little bit more. I'd like to push through this EMA 200 instead of stop at it. 413, go Lucid. But I mean, it really is the truth. I've never been somebody that operates really well with low sleep. It's always affected me, and I'm really messing up lately. I'm so sorry. If we break 20 to the downside, does your technology say anything about a support? Oh yeah, absolutely. There's plenty of supports down there. Big area support around the 1780 mark. I mean, there's a couple actually, though. I'll go take a look, though, here for you. But I mean, even if you look back around the beginning of the month, ooh, that's ugly. You know, 1750 is where we ended up getting our bounce. 1756. Decent level right at... yeah, right around 2050. Pretty common. Let's go back further. Where are we at here? Yeah, 1780. Historical line of support. Right around 18. I'm having a hard time actually lining up my stuff here, but you get the idea, right? There's definitely stuff down here. 2030. I think I might have to go back further to find better stuff. Maybe get rid of these. I don't even know why these are here. Yeah, right around the 1760, 1770 mark. Pretty common. Trying to find something closer to 20 so we don't have the drop so far. Yeah, there's some stuff. 1968 is probably the closest one to 20. 1980. Yeah, about 1980. 1990. There's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them. How are you? Are you new to on AMC GME? Yo, what up, hero of the day? Feels like you're living up to your name already. Always nice to see a new ape. I'm actually a long time into GME AMC. I just recently got back into it in May, but I was in GME and AMC 3 years ago when it squeezed the first time. I missed GME squeezing for the most part. I missed the big one, but I was paying attention to the market. I watched GME do it, and I did actually get in for 1 or 2 calls back then, but nothing too crazy. But I was into AMC back then, and I was in AMC when it went from $5 up to $30, so made a decent amount through that. It's probably the only thing that's keeping my head sane when I look at AMC barcoding these days. I'm just I know it's possible. I know this is gonna do it eventually. So, but yeah, after I saw the stuff going on in May, I immediately started looking into it because I recognized those same signs of hey, this is gonna keep happening. This is the reversal. This is the start. So I got in right away. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, nice to see you here the day. I'm a new streamer though. In terms of being a streamer, I've only been streaming now for I think a little bit less than a month. Just waiting for the squeeze, waiting for MOAS, and you're just having fun. 10 minutes left in the day. 10 minutes left for Power Hour. We're almost there, family. Hopefully we can get a nice push up here at the end of the day. We did get a bounce out of GME down at 2077, back up to 2080. Yeah, they're just doing a good job dumping on it, though. I feel like we can't really expect too much today. Maybe even not too much for the rest of the week, I guess. They're just gonna keep making people think that it's over before earnings. So yeah, hopefully we actually don't go below $20. That'll be really sad. What? Oh, I missed you. I'm so sorry. I'm not ignoring. I said hi. Oh, I did miss a lot though. I'm so sorry. I don't know where my head was. I didn't mean to. Oh my god. I know, I did not mean to leave you for DZ though. That is awful. That is really awful. I did not mean to. I wasn't ignoring. I'm so sorry. I don't know where I was. I don't know what I was doing. I got really distracted by something. Oh, it was Assidious. Yeah, so I read Assidious' message and I got really distracted. I'm so sorry about that. You guys did put him in my... Oh, you guys put DZ in his place a couple times today? I'm so sorry, guys. Cat is playing with you. I moved the price of my lines, BS. Oh my god, it's so typical. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. 1880 is the last low from August 2nd. Thought I showed lower than that. I'm catching up, I'm catching up. Oh, guys. No, it really wasn't intentional, though. I just was trying to not do a bad job at answering Assidious. I'm so sorry. What did you show? Okay, yeah, you showed 1880. What did I show? I think I just sworn I saw a little bit lower earlier. But yeah, 1880. 1880 is pretty calm. Or 1780. 1780. GME 2081. They tried pushing it down again. Came down to 2076. We got 8 minutes left of the day. I'd love to see something out of this. No, I really do apologize, though. I didn't mean to miss those. I'm a mess. Definitely wasn't choosing to ignore, though. I'm just stupid. It's better and worse at the same time. Easily distracted. AMC down to $5 now. Currently 501. Lucid Motors came up to 415. That was a nice recovery out of Lucid, frankly. But getting pushed down again now, 411. SPY starting to come down at the end of the day here, 561.40. Got some red candles showing up. It's not selective attention. I just read a message and then I start getting distracted. I'm not like choosing. I literally I just react to the order that I'm reading it in. So I saw his and then like my whole focus went to reading him. I wasn't just choosing to. Although I did look up and I suppose I only saw Hero. I don't know how that happened actually. No, I know though, guys. I wish I was better about it. Just something wrong with my head when it comes to like reading chat. I don't know where the disconnect is, and I don't know how to fix it. It's been years of this from my other stream. Chewy starting to push up again to 2574. A nice green candle there. Yeah, no, honestly, I think I do need something like that. I really do. I've always felt that way, but I've never really gone to get checked about it. I feel like as a kid, I probably could have really benefited from that. Like, I just think that would have been amazing for me if I would have had that. KSS selling off. It's okay. We still got those earnings and oh wow. Yeah, 2 days. So I'd like to think that tomorrow this is going to turn around, maybe even break through that level. Life gets a lot easier. Yeah, I've had like a wide range of issues along those lines, and it would have been nice to have like a little bit more, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, support growing up. Yeah, it's always been a problem. I'm a firm believer too that like I do have ADHD. I watch like videos on ADHD all the time on YouTube and things. Okay, focusing. Starbucks trying to push up right here at the end of the day. Currently 98.20. Intraday high of 98.40. Might break through that. Only 4 more minutes left on the day though. Yeah, I think I do. I think it's really bad. I need to be better about it. Yeah, welcome to the club. Hey. As long as you guys are in the club, I'm happy to be here. GME 2077. I don't know much about that one. Is that pretty good? Do you like it? Does it feel the same? Andre! What's up, Andre? I was up 20 cents on SPY, 30 minutes later, profit gone. Not sure what to say. Oh, dude, no, I feel you. I had that same problem just yesterday, actually. I was up 50 cents from where I bought the option, but I was still negative on my option. I was very upset about it. They rip it away so quickly. Oh, it's coming, Warlord. It's coming. I think we're right around the corner. I honestly, I feel like I said this a couple times now, but I feel like Nvidia earnings tomorrow are probably going to bring down the market, and then that's just going to continue into earnings. Not financial advice. I could just be wrong. Can sleep on it, dude. I believe that. Been saying that for 2 years. Not today. Yeah, I can't believe that GME traded sideways for over 2 years. That's so crazy. I mean, it didn't even really trade sideways. It just kept going down for 2 years. Oh god, no, not financial advice. Also, Nvidia puts are probably really expensive. I can almost guarantee you. It's like the whole reason I haven't bought Nvidia puts sometimes, because every time I look, they're like crazily priced. I appreciate, by the way, whoever just did all those interactions. That was really cool. Very appreciated. Never expected. Okay. But I mean, honestly, it might just be cheaper just to get SPY puts, but at the same time, you know, things can go wrong with that too. Yeah, they're crazy. Yep, exactly. I wanted them so many times, but I'm like, no way. There's no way I'm going to pay that price for one put. Not going to happen. Way too expensive. Even when you go far out of the money, just like way too expensive. I don't remember who I was talking to about SPY yesterday, about like when the bottom would be in a couple years, but I was looking at SPY options. If I took like a 350 SPY option for like a year-ish out, it was only like $300. I thought that was a good buy though. For those who think that like SPY could really like go crazy to the downside and who might want a really long leap. I mean, I guess a year is about a standard leap. But yeah. I thought that was a good price though for being that far. Oh shoot. 1 minute left in the day. My music really stopped for the last minute. Yes, it did. Come on, Jimmy. I don't think we're gonna get much though, sadly. Currently 2075 though. Glad we at least didn't drop off further for now. Oh, I spoke too soon. Don't do it, Jim. Ah! Curses. Dang these people. Stop your shorting. Actually, no. Keep adding to your short position. Next week, you're going to be screwed. Keep adding to it. That is it, though, family. That is it right there. It is now 4 p.m. Chewy did manage to go positive right at the end of the day. Chewy up 0.15%. Intraday high 25.87 or 25.99, I guess. Held for review. Oh my god, Warlord. Getting smacked down by the moderator. It's okay, I'll let it through. Then just cut the volatility to make... Yeah, exactly, Warlord. You gotta be so careful. There's so many tricks they can do to rip your money away. Ooh! Oh, come on. There's your daily dose of manipulation for the day. That's them putting in all the orders that they held all day. Daily dose of manipulation. $65,000, $71,000 right at the end of the day. Yep. There's no other good explanation other than the fact they're just holding orders throughout the day. Keep the volume low, keep the buys not coming in, so they can push it down easier. It's my least favorite kind. This makes me so mad when I see this. Prime! But yeah, so I'm gonna get out of your guys' hair here. But I just do want to apologize again for not being here earlier. I'm gonna get better about that. Okay, I'm gonna stop because I'm not doing a good job. But I love you guys. I really do think that we're gonna get a reversal here soon. I mean, in my head, I was thinking that today was the last day that we were gonna be low, and then we're gonna raise up throughout the week until earnings. But now that I'm like thinking it through, I feel like maybe they're just gonna push it down all week until earnings. So we'll see. Hopefully it's not too bad. We're only at 2070 today, so definitely could have been worse. We did get a nice bounce up. That right there is what makes me think that, you know, maybe we aren't gonna have a bad rest of the week. They did let us go down from 2066 back up to 21 before coming back down. So I'd like to think that there's still hope coming. But regardless, next week is earnings. We are now 4 trading days. Actually, no, because if we're closed Monday, we're now 3 trading days away from earnings. That we're so close. We're so close, family. We just gotta keep that ice in our stomach and get there. We're so close. I appreciate you so much, Surgeon. I appreciate you so much, Majino, and thank you guys for coming through. Geeko Gadgets, awesome to see you today. TZ YOLO, big cheers to you. Thank you so much, TZ, for being so great. My man, Warlord Mohican, such a great, awesome pal, pal. I appreciate you, Warlord. I really do. Andre, I'm happy to get to spend another day with you. I apologize that your option happened like that, but we'll turn this around, man. We're so close. And here of the day, thank you for coming in as well. I hope that you have a great day. I will be back here tomorrow for Market Open, and it will be a better day, I promise. At least out of me. So, all right, I love you guys, though. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for being such an amazing family, though. I really do appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Here of the day. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here. Apologize that it was so short. Day's over. But I'll be back here before Market Open tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. And I'm looking forward to a better day for everything. I love you guys. Please have a great rest of your night. Please get lots of rest. I'm going to try to make sure I get lots of rest. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, family.